We're back in South Phoenix for the big renovation of this house built in 1959. And in this update, we join Ed and George in the back to talk about what exactly we're going to do with this addition that was built many years ago, may or may not have been permitted. And we're also going to have some initial discussions on what we're going to do with the kitchen as well.
So here, this room addition that was done 40 years ago is no good. I mean,
can we keep that?
Yeah, you get these.
Is there any way to save the insulation? You know, to cut corners on the cost.
Yeah, we'll save that and I'll bring it over to your house for you.
Great.
Rob, there is one thing we're going to do to this house, though, that I haven't seen in Phoenix, is we're going to put a porthole.
Porthole.
Just kidding.
Oh, this is perfect, yeah. Actually, you know what's going to happen, though? I mean, this is
the window coverings.
The window coverings. Yeah, that's a good sunshade. So we're going to bring this, so this wall is going completely.
Completely gone.
Yeah, because we're bringing the addition out a little bit. Because we're going to make it, a master suite. And the reason being is because here's the laundry room right here. This is the laundry room. But we're actually going to build a laundry room and enclose it and put the hot water heater that is right here, right? So the laundry room's going to go here.
Yes.
Laundry room will be right here.
Yeah. And then
Backed up to this bathroom.
yeah, that's going to be the master bath.
There'll be a closet here as well.
Yeah. And new roof and
Only roof line.
And so what's going to happen is you're going to have to frame it out, right?
Yeah, all this goes away. We got to demo all this old destroyed lumber. We'll add the concrete, then we'll frame the whole thing out, put a whole new pitch roof on there, which will also include a new patio cover with the roof, which is needed. So,
Yeah.
And then we're upgrading the electrical.
Yeah, this is 100 amps. We're going to go to 200 amps.
Yep. And then they're going to move it to this side of the house, out of the way of everything.
Yeah.
We're sitting over here.
Because the city said so.
That's right. All right, so now we're inside where the addition is going to be added to. As you can see, our
You know, Ed, I really believe that you've got something here with the portal. I mean, really.
And of course, you know, we'll keep the wires right there. So
Yeah.
this whole thing is going to get demoed.
Yeah.
You know, everything in here, kill it. And again, we're going to push it out 5 feet. And this will come out. And over here will be a whole different room.
Yeah. And then
We'll put another door.
yeah, because this is gonna, you know, just because of the layout, you have two entrances into this room right now, either from the patio
Yes.
or from the bathroom, which goes through to, I think, the original master.
Yes.
But I think what we're thinking, come on in, George, we're talking about this. I think we're talking about just sealing that off and making this an exclusive
master bath.
master bath. So the entrance is going to have to be created here.
Yeah, you have to go through that block wall, put a lintel in up top.
Yeah.
And we'll keep a door over here, I
Right.
believe, to give you a little egress there. So I think we need to get rid of this header and this section of the wall to open this completely up to the living room. It's not a big space anyway, let's make it a bigger space. So we need to carry a beam down off of that corner. We'll come up through the rafters here, we'll run the beam right over and we'll bear it on this corner and put a post down here.
Okay.
Open everything up.
So this is like a continuation of this beam here,
Correct.
but we're going to replace this beam.
Yeah, that's gonna go away, and everything will be ceiling height, so it'll be a wide open ceiling, and all of this will be gone, which is blocking you off from the living room now.
Well, yeah, we just want to open this up
Yeah,
completely.
so now we can put the island right here, you can see in the kitchen, see people coming into your house, you know, it'll be a little more, you know, people embracing it in there.
And so we're going to put the island here with a range in it.
Yeah,
So because it's and then we'll vent it up through
yeah, we
here.
can vent it up through there,
Yeah.
and we'll run this power. We'll come back over, we'll bring that down underground, and we'll.
Well,
bring it
hopefully
up.
we're replacing the wire.
Yeah, for sure.
But now that we've opened up the kitchen, we're going to put obviously sink here, refrigerator in the corner, And then, wow, look at this piping.
Yeah, so we're gonna have to, obviously, we're gonna come through. I mean, this, I'm no professional, but I think that's not right.
That's right, you are no professional.
Yeah, but I'm both.
And you are right on both counts.
So yeah, we're gonna have to redo all those lines, and which is a great thing because now we can adjust it accordingly to the cabinet layout. Where do you want? Maybe you want your stove a little further over. I mean, your sink a little further over. On the other side of this, obviously, is a bathroom that we're gonna have to contend with.
But the cool thing about it is that if we put the range in the island, then you've got a lot more counter space here and a lot more cabinet space
Yeah,
here.
for sure. Absolutely. Plus, you got a big enough space in here where you can put a pantry, whether it's on the end over here or even over in that corner. You've got plenty of room for pantry space here as well.
Demolition actually begins on the addition in the next update. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.